Everybody, here is your level 4 worksheet walkthrough video. Now, similar to level 3, if there are portions of your worksheet that overlap, make sure you go back and look at either your level 2 or level 3 worksheet videos to get a little more insight to those. Now, level 4, we do have our find the measure of one interior angle in each regular polygon, which can be found at the first portion of your level 3. So go ahead and check that out if you need help with this section. This section, finding the measure of each angle indicated, it is slightly upped in difficulty because not only are we solving for x, we are then also going to solve for the angle measure itself. So we're going to go ahead and walk through this one. Number 3, we are looking for the angle measure for E. So let's go ahead and start by solving for x, knowing that in quadrilaterals we do have a total of 360 degrees. So let's set up our equation. I know I'm going to have 56x plus 3 plus my 35x plus 65 plus 54x plus 2 is all going to equal 360 degrees. Okay. Now this is a very long equation. We need to go ahead and clean it up by combining our like terms. Now my 56x here has an x, 35 has an x, and 54 has an x. So those will all combine. My 3, my 65, and then my 2 will all combine with each other as well. So let's go ahead and clean that up. So when I'm combining all of my x's, I have a grand total of 145x. And then all of my constants that have no variables, no x's, I get a total of 70. And that's going to equal 360 degrees. Okay. I need to isolate my x, so go ahead and subtract out my 70 on both sides to get 145x equals 290 degrees. Now all that's left is dividing out by my 145 and finding out that x equals 2. Okay, so we're halfway there. Now that I solved for x, I need to solve for my measure for angle E, which was the equation of 56x plus 3. Since I know what x is, I need to just go ahead and plug that in. So 56 times 2 gives me 112 plus 3. So my measure for angle E is a total of 115 degrees. And that's how you would go ahead and do number 4 as well. Numbers 5, 6 are similar, but you're only going to solve for x. So hopefully we can do that. We still have quadrilaterals, so your total interior angles will add up to 360 degrees. This next section, I did not do it on a level 3 worksheet. You will find it on level 2 and level 1 worksheet to identify which pairs of angles are either corresponding, alternating interior, alternating exterior, or same side interior or vertical. Okay, so if you do need help on identifying any of those, you can also go back to your postulates and theorems cheat sheet, or just go and take a look at level 1 or level 2 videos. Same thing here, finding the measure of the angle indicated in bold. I did do this in our level 3 video, so if you need help with that, you can go on to that level 3 video. Let me go ahead and just indicate that we will be looking for the angle, this one right here, that's 14x on number 13. And on number 14, you would be looking for this 17x plus 7. So solving out what is x and then plugging it back in to solve for those angle measures in total. Okay. Completing each congruent statement by naming the corresponding angle or side. So this section, filling out your angle markings. You will find them on your level 2 worksheet video if you need help with these two sections. And then writing the statement that indicates the triangles in each pair are congruent. You will find examples to go by on your level 3 worksheet video. If you do need to check your answers, there are answers at the end of this worksheet. And if there are questions that I didn't go over in this video, you might find help from level 1, 2, or 3 worksheet videos.